So, one of the major challenges we have in AI filmmaking is character inconsistency. And when I talk about character inconsistency, I'm not only talking about the face alone. Sometimes you can have a consistent face, but then the clothes change, the shoes change, even the height and the body type change. And this has been one of the biggest problems in AI film production.
My name's Marcus Hale. I've driven these streets every morning for 6 years. Most days, the city wakes up slow. Today, it woke up angry. When things go wrong out here, you don't panic.
Ma'am, stay back. The wall's still coming down. I've got it, Said. Move slow, Lilynet. You're almost clear. Now breathe.
The only thing holding people up is a choice you make in a second.
Now, you saw the brief video where the characters stayed very consistent across scenes. You can watch the full film with the link attached at this video. Okay, you could clearly tell it was the same person, not just by face, but by the full physical appearance and the overall feel of the character. And that's exactly what I'm breaking down today. Today, I'll be talking about the Character Bible and how you can use it to create consistent characters for your AI filmmaking project. You can think of a Character Bible as the DNA of your character. Basically, it's a centralized blueprint that holds everything about your character in one place. It includes physical appearance, clothing and style, personality traits, backstory, the way they speak, their voice and speech pattern, emotional range, habits and mannerisms, motivations and fears, and their relationships with other characters. All of that is stored together. And when you feed this into your AI tools repeatedly, you start getting the same looking character every time. You get the same tone of voice, you get the same behavior. This means no random face changes, no personality drift, no weird changes in how they talk or act. And this is something that has been a major issue in AI filmmaking when you don't use a Character Bible. Without a Character Bible, your AI naturally tends to change faces between scenes. That's normal. It also forgets personality traits over time. Sometimes even accents change. And when that happens, there's a break in your story flow. But when you have a Character Bible, you can now create long duration AI films, even cinematic series with recurring characters. You can grow their emotions over time. You can build a full brand universe around them. And this is exactly how real film production works. One of the main things I'll be showing you is a very professional technique used in real filmmaking that you can adapt directly into AI filmmaking. And that technique is creating a single cinematic character reference image in grid view. This image becomes your single source of truth for each character. So apart from having your Character Bible written in a document, you also generate a visual reference that locks in the physical appearance. This keeps consistency in face, height, body type, clothing, and overall look. Then the document part of the Character Bible handles things like voice, personality, behavior, and emotions. You can even lock these characters into your GPT so that every time you generate scenes or scripts, it works around the same characters. And this works for any type of AI film. Whether you're making hyper-realistic AI film projects, animated projects, or cinematic shots, I'll be walking you through this step by step using Nano Banana Pro. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to my Telegram channel and download the Character Bible document. I've attached the link in the description of this video. Inside that document, you'll find a ready-made professional prompt for creating an advanced Character Bible. It doesn't matter what kind of AI film you're making, short film, long film, or series, you can use this same format. Before you use it though, there's one important thing you must already have. You must already have a concept and a story. Basically, your film idea should already be developed into a story inside your GPT. For example, here I'm using ChatGPT. I already have my concept. I already have my story created from that concept. Once you have those two things, that's when the character Bible comes in. So you go to the document, copy the advanced character Bible prompt, and paste it into the same chat where your story exists. What happens next is that GPT builds a full character profile for you. It usually starts with the main character of your story. It creates their physical appearance, personality, backstory, voice style, emotions, habits, motivations, and relationships. After that, you can tell it to also generate character Bibles for the supporting characters. So now you end up with a full detailed character Bible for every character in your AI film. Once that's done, you copy all the character Bible outputs and save them into a document. This becomes your permanent character reference. Now, if you're creating a long duration AI film or even a series, you can log these characters into your GPT. Basically, you tell your GPT that these are the characters you're working with. So from that point forward, everything it generates stays consistent around those same characters. This keeps your AI film production clean and professional. Now, that handles the document side of consistency. The next step is building the physical appearance reference image. And this part is extremely important. This is what you'll be feeding into your AI image generation for every shot. So every time you generate shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, and so on, you will attach this reference image. This is what logs the character's look across all scenes. To do this, you go back to the same document and copy the second prompt. This second prompt is specifically for generating a cinematic character reference image in grid view. Once you've copied that prompt, you go to Google Flow. The link is also in the description. You can also use Google Gemini. What you're using inside these platforms is Nano Banana Pro. Basically, Nano Banana Pro is the AI model handling the image generation. Here, I'm using Google Flow. So you paste the full character reference grid prompt into Google Flow. Now there's a section in that prompt where you add your character's visual details. This part is taken directly from your character Bible. And this is very important. You're only copying the physical appearance section. That includes the character's name, age, gender, ethnicity or skin tone, height and build, posture and movement, facial structure, jawline, cheekbones, nose, lips, hair, skin texture, clothing style, and outfit details. All of that goes into the visual section. This is what ensures physical consistency. Now, once you've pasted all those visual details into the prompt, you click Generate. And what you get is a single cinematic grid image showing your character from multiple angles. This becomes your character's visual DNA. This is what you use in every single AI film production shot. Now, sometimes in AI filmmaking, faces might still drift slightly. You might notice tiny changes here and there. And yes, that can happen with any AI tools. But one thing that stays very consistent is the physical appearance, the height, the build, the clothing, the overall look. And this is exactly how real film production works. If you've watched enough movies, you know that they often use stunt doubles. But you never notice most times. Why? Because the stunt double has the same physical appearance, same body build, same clothing, same posture. So visually, everything feels consistent. That's what we're recreating here in AI film production. We're locking the physical appearance so that even if there's tiny face variation, sometimes the character still feels like the same person. Now, once you have this grid reference image, you save it. This is your main character reference. From now on, whenever you're generating images for your AI film shots, you attach this reference image. So if you're generating a scene with one character, you attach that character's reference image. If you're generating a scene with two characters, you attach both reference images, character A and character B. This tells the AI exactly who should appear in the scene. And because you're using the same reference every time, you get consistent characters across all shots and scenes. This is what eliminates random outfit changes. This is what eliminates body type changes. This is what keeps your AI film looking professional. Now remember, the document character Bible handles personality, voice, emotions, and behavior. The reference image handles physical appearance. Together, they create full character consistency. This is the same logic used in real filmmaking, just adapted for AI filmmaking. And the beautiful thing is that this works regardless of the type of AI film you're making. Hyper-realistic AI film, cinematic AI shots. Everything benefits from this system. Now before we wrap up, just a quick reminder. You can download the Character Bible document from my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and my other social media handles, which are all linked below. And if you'd like to support this channel and help with future content creation, you can donate through my seller page linked in the description as well. So that's how you solve one of the biggest challenges in AI film production, character inconsistency. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming tutorials on AI filmmaking workflows, AI film production systems, and consistent characters AI techniques. I'll see you in the next video. Lights out.